Hey guys, when everyone asks me what camera they want to buy, I usually give them an advice to just go to a camera store, hold the camera, and if it's comfortable, if you like holding the camera, aside from the specs, the thing is that's the best camera for you. So in this video, I'm going to talk about being comfortable with one camera and what you can do regarding it. For this case, it's more on a specific case that I have right now because I'm using a Sony A1, top of the line Sony A1, and since they are the Sonys, they're a bit smaller than the grip. So when I hold it, my pinky falls off from the bottom. So I got this base plate from smallrig, and I'm not sponsored or any way affiliated with these products. I'm all just telling you what my experience is regarding this. So these are the smallrig base plates. So they have an arca bottom, and I like it because when you put it on your camera, they're not that like the battery grips that are so big, but when you put your hands on them, like the camera fits so well in the hand, and it feels good. Like the pinky's not left out, it just stays there. But one of the things I have been noticing with this thing is the bottom part, these parts here, are so, it's not focusing. Come on, camera, focus. So the bottom part here are a bit sharp for my hands. They're not really sharp, but it's annoying. Like they dig into my palm or they dig into my fingers, and it's really annoying. So I've been using this setup for a while now whenever I do photos, and I get annoyed. So what happens is I always go back to my old A9. Just yesterday I decided like whatever, these are like third-party things and you can just buy them if you break them. So I tried to grind the bottom part here with a belt grinder or maybe a Dremel, and I did use a belt grinder from Worksharp, not sponsored anyway, but I use them on the bottom, and it feels good. So whenever I put my palm here and this part of the camera hits my palm, and it used to be so annoying whenever I hold this, like I feel that the bottom part in the front like flares out. So when I hold it, it feels like it's sharp, and I don't like it. I try to remove it and try to shoot, and then my pinky gets left out. I put it back again and try to shoot, and I get annoyed. So like, yeah, I went back to my A9 just because of that. Yesterday I tried to grind it off, and it feels good. It has a how do you call this? An exposed metal part there, which is showing as a shiny, like a silver, like a exposed metal part at the bottom. But it's not annoying, so it's good. It looks fine. It looks like it's been, the smallrig, the one, the cage for the FX3. If you know, like they have this thing like brushed corners. So it looked like that, and it feels good. So I'm going to test it in the next few days. Find it very comfortable, and I can enjoy shooting with my A1. Because what's really been happening is I haven't been using this for photos. I've been using the other one, the old original camera, for photos because it's light, and also it feels good in the hand. But this one now feels good. So looking forward to using this to my next shoots. And I'm getting sleepy right now. It's around 6 a.m. The sun's getting out, and I just want to finish this video, this quick one, and it's gone up 4 minutes. So anyway, that's it for today. Take care, guys, and if you have any questions regarding it, if you have any feedback, any other comments, just put it below. Cheers.